Baja aquí.
Es Nuevo León.
¿Nuevo León es?
Nuevo León.
Ah, ok, perdón.
Álvaro Obregón está más para allá.
No, Nuevo León, perdón.
I thought I'd give you a little tour of our apartment in Mexico City. Here's the living room area. These two big windows here are great for looking at birds and squirrels because there are some big trees right outside. Here's the little corner where I've been doing some of my Avery Hill work while I've been away. Here's the little kitchen area. Bathroom. Today is Wednesday. We arrived in Mexico City on Sunday, so we've been here for a few days now. I'm recording this on the roof of the apartment that we're staying in. So far we haven't done a huge amount, we've just been enjoying walking around the city and eating. We've met up with my partner Sergio's mum and one of his childhood friends who's a politician. Both he and his wife work in politics in Mexico City. This friend also took us for a walk around the area that was badly hit by the earthquake in 2017. So we saw a lot of sort of empty spaces where buildings had fallen and some buildings that are abandoned at the moment.
Está loquísima.
Es la más bonita, cabrón.
Los edificios enormes.
En la parte de atrás, donde venden arte y todo, ves que te metes por edificios y edificios y edificios.
A mí me gusta de cabeza y suadero.
Este pozole es muy famoso en la Casa del Pueblo.
Estamos una semana, no sé, 15 días y luego descanso.
todavía vive ahí en la verdad, ¿no?
En la verdad, vivió. ¿Sí, ¿tú fuiste a la Nápoles?
Sí, en la Nápoles.
No.
El gran danés está impresionante.
I wanted to talk about the weather in Mexico City. When we arrived from Baja, it was really hazy. The sky really kind of overcast. It's still warm, it's kind of on average 30 degrees, but there's a lot of haze in the air, and there's been some talk that it's been caused by wildfires in other parts of the country, and the smoke from those kind of blowing north over Mexico City and kind of settling, because the geography of the city is it's like a bowl surrounded by mountains, and stuff like smog and smoke gets stuck over the top. It's also just obviously really bad pollution. Oh, there's a little bird. They've actually closed schools for a few days, and I had moved a football match into a different city because of the level of air pollution at the moment. They have a system where if you're a car owner in the city, you have certain restrictions over when you can drive, but they've instituted an extra serious kind of ban, which means that I think the odd and even number plates alternate, so that every other day you're not allowed to drive unless you have a new kind of low emissions car. We've also had some spectacular rain and thunderstorms, which isn't uncommon. The good thing is that compared to the UK, the rain tends to be over quite quickly, and even if it's not, it tends to be in the evening, so that most of the day is kind of sunny and clear, and then the rain comes later. There was one evening we were sitting in a restaurant and it was like a monsoon. It was super heavy rain, really loud thunder and lightning, and that was kind of cool, but it lasted kind of 40 minutes. Some things that we've been up to lately, we spent the evening with some of Sergio's old friends. That was a very late one. We kind of started at 9:30 and went on till 1, which for me is very late, but often two of the people that were there finished work kind of at 10:30 in the evening, which apparently is not uncommon depending on your job. You just kind of have to work through the evening, so we waited for them and kind of managed to stay up quite late, although not really. I was half asleep for most of it, but it was really lovely to see them, and we had some amazing food, and we were given a really nice bottle of tequila. The guy whose house we visited, his wife works for a tequila company, so they gave us a gift, which was super lovely. We also met up with Sergio's godfather, who took us for a meal, and we went to a gallery with him. Saw some Rodin. Up on the roof of this building there's a place where you can wash clothes, and also areas where you can hang them up to dry over here. This is an Inca dove. It's one of my favourite birds of Mexico City. You see them all over.
Traemos helados con litro de vainilla, fresas, chocolate. Recién salidos del horno a solo 3 pesos. Acérquese y no se quede con las ganas. Compre tamales oaxaqueños. Hay tamales oaxaqueños, tamales calientitos.
Must be equally available to everyone in the world. They double down on that, huh? But at the same time, I think
Today we went to see an old school friend of Sergio's. He and his wife have an amazing collection of rescue cats at their home, and they also run a shop called Garros, which sells everything to do with cats, cat artwork and illustration, stationery, cat toys.
Sobrina, la hija de Rodolfo.
Eso sí, me acuerdo. Oh my god, ya creció un chingo.
Sí.
Porque la última vez que me metí a Facebook fue hace.
No.
blue skies today. We were in Mexico City for about a week before we had any blue skies because of the smoke and the smog, but it's really gorgeous at the moment.
De seguridad les pedimos que por favor permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad correctamente abrochado